In this video, we will learn the formula to find the area of a triangle. Here I have a plain sheet of paper. I'll first cut out a triangle out of this. Here I go. This is a triangle. To find the area of this triangle, what I can do is I can get another triangle that looks exactly the same. So here I get the second triangle. I have two triangles now. So they are exactly the same and thus they have the same area. Okay. Now what I can do is I can take the second triangle. So remember, these two sides are exactly the same length. So what I can do is I can just flip this triangle this way and place it here. So I just place those two triangles together, and what we can observe now is that the two triangles form a parallelogram. See, this side is parallel to that side and is equal in length, and this side is equal to that side, and the two sides are also parallel. So this is a parallelogram, and we know how to find the area of a parallelogram. How do we find the area of a parallelogram? Well, we take the base of the parallelogram and simply multiply that with the corresponding height. So I'll just quickly draw that for you here. So this is the base of the parallelogram, this length. Let me call that B for base, and this is the height of the parallelogram. Okay, I'll just draw it later. H. I'll represent that with H. So that's the height, the corresponding height, and that is the base. If I multiply base times the height, I get the area of this parallelogram. So what I can write is the area of the parallelogram equals base times height, or B times H. But that is the area of the parallelogram. We were supposed to find the area of the triangle. So how do I find the area of the triangle? Well, the whole parallelogram is made up of triangle 1 and triangle 2. So instead of writing the area of the parallelogram, what I can say is the area of triangle 1 and the area of triangle 2. But the area of triangle 1 is equal to the area of triangle 2. We just saw that, right? They overlap exactly. So they have the same area. So what I can say is this area times 2. So I have two of them, right? This area, so the area of this triangle times 2 gives me the area of this parallelogram. So instead of writing the area of the parallelogram, what I can write is this area, the area of this triangle. So area, the area of, I'll just draw a triangle there. We have this triangle times 2. So that gives me the area of these two triangles. That is equal to the area. So I just write that instead of writing the area of the parallelogram, and that was equal to B times H. So here I've got the area of two triangles, two identical triangles, but I wanted the area of one triangle. So what do? I simply divide that thing with 2. So if I divide both sides of the equation by 2, so what do I get? So what I get is the area. So because of that 2 cancels with that 2, area of the triangle equals B times H upon 2. So that gives me the area of this triangle, whose base or one side is B and the corresponding height is H. So we can also write that as area equals half into base into the corresponding height, and that is the formula for the area of a triangle.